Hello, so this is the unboxing of the all new MacBook Pro 14 with the M1 Max, which is pretty unique. So I just wanted to share with you the unboxing. So this is the box. You can see that it's going to be a normal silver, and it's a little bit thicker than the usual MacBook. On the front you can see the MacBook as well, and I'm going to open the box. So that's the Mac. Cool. Nice. Now, something that I've noticed in the recent new MacBooks is that this thingy just feel a little bit cheaper, and I know that I'm being weird about it, but that's basically it. And by the way, I noticed it just now that on the side it's open, so make sure when you're opening the MacBook from the box that it's okay and it wasn't hurt on the way and it doesn't have any scratches. So I'll just open the Mac. I'm going to put this away. I'm going to put the MacBook over here. Now, just before I'm opening the MacBook, so that's the new cable. I've already shown it in a previous video with the MacBook 16, but it's a braided cable with the old kind of cable. On one side it's the magnetic one, and on the other side it's the Type-C, which is weird. I mean, the magnetic is fine, it's cool, but the thing is that the Type-C is much useful these days, and we don't need an additional weird input-output kind of connection. Within here, the new charger, it's a little bit heavier, but looks cool. So that's basically what's in the box. I guess there are going to be stickers over here for the MacBook, designed by Apple in California but made in China as usual. So I'm going to open up the MacBook for the first time. How awesome it sounds, right? So on the right side, finally, SD card, Type-C, and HDMI. On the left side, aux, Type-C, and the charging port. Big track as usual. Nice being typed on keyboard. Cool way to keep your screen protector. And I'm going to take it off.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
And finally, well, we had it before, but right now it's on the right side, which is cool. Yes, I want English as my main language. Well, from what it looks like, it's really expensive. Feels a little bit heavy still for a MacBook Pro, but I guess that it's worth it.
Mac OS
I don't know
contains a
yet.
built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, Press the escape key.
So now I'm going to put on a song, play a song, just for reference and how beautiful these speakers are. So I guess that's my video about the MacBook Pro 14 M1 Max. And just because maybe someone would not believe that it's a M1 Max, there you go, picture, well, video showing you that it's the real deal. It's wonderful, and I would recommend it for anyone who's dealing with sound or applications or anything, really.